Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's white. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder pushing out 208 horsepower and 248 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of regular and all-season floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, a keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with the smartphone integration package, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Got a radio. Our hard keys for our media. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has 47,299 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.